Okay. Well, it's about 10 in the morning now, and we had quite the severe weather event last night. It was a little mini one, 3 alerts, but I'll take it. And it went from that to flurries outside now. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there you can kind of see them. But it's extremely windy. Yeah, look at all those. Yeah, so we went from storms to flurries. So we did have an SVR for me last night. That was like our last alert, but yeah, fun. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoy. Yeah!
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Champaign County, Logan County,
Oh, it went off.
northwestern
Let's go.
Union County, Ohio, until 10:30
Shut
p.m.
up.
At 10:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near the Graph, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard,
Really?
60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar
I thought it
indicated.
weakened below severe wind
Impact,
limits.
expects damage to trees and power lines.
What is this?
Locations impacted include Bell Fountain, West Liberty, DeGraff, West Mansfield, Northwood, Rush Sylvania, Ridgeway, Valley High, Zanesfield, Raymond, Westville, New Jerusalem, Broadway, Millerstown, Ken Ard, Big Springs, East Liberty, Rosewood, Pickrelltown, and Byhalia.
Oh, no, Quincy. Really? Really?
Northwestern Franklin County.
What?
Central Clark County. Central Madison.
Yeah!
Until 11 p.m. At 10:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located
Me,
near
boys.
South Charleston, moving east at 60 miles an hour.
Holy crap, 60?
60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
I don't got nothing outside.
Expects damage to trees and power lines.
My window down.
Locations impacted.
Wait, this is gonna fall out.
Columbus, Dublin, Upper Arlington, Hilliard,
Weird.
London, Jefferson.
It's
West
me!
Jefferson, Choctaw Lake, Lake Darby, Green.
Okay, yeah, you're gonna see something.
Brighton, Valley View, Marble Cliff, Lafayette.
Is this gonna fall if I open this?
70th US Route 42, Amity, State Route 29 at State Route 38, and Interstate 70
Okay.
at State Route 56. This includes the 70 in Ohio between mile marker 65 and 98.
There we go.
You're listening to NOAA Weather.
Let's go. I turned y'all off!
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Claremont County, northwestern Brown County, southeastern Warren County,
That's fun.
southwestern Fayette County, Ohio, Clinton County, Highland County, and south central Ohio until 11:30 p.m. At 10:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Blanchester, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Washington Courthouse, Wilmington, Hillsborough, Greenfield, Blanchester, Sabina, Lynchburg, Leesburg, New Vienna, Marl, Marshall, Highland Holiday, Rocky Fort Point, Russell, Woodville, Staunton, New Market, Owensville, Clarksville, and Harveysburg. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 35 and 51.
I know, I'm working on it.